A350 has these two push buttons for manual configuration of the display units. One can bring the captain or the first officer on lower center, and other can cycle the remaining displays. You can see two button here. So when first officer side OIS on center is selected, the captain side display cycle away light will come on. Same action results with captain side OIS on center switch. Now display on the active available display cycle sides can be cycled on the outboard display units. Let me explain you the functionality of these switches in the video. Please note we can bring OS, FMS and avionics menu display on the center or the outboard display unit. Okay, on the center display we have the the OMT we have selected there, and I have the avionics display here. So if I want to select the display cycle here, it's not working. This button is not working on the captain or the first officer side. If I select the first officer OS on center, so this will be then available here. Okay, so that means now display cycle can be done there. If I will be putting this off, again it will be normal display. If I doing the captain OES on center, so what will happen? Now display cycle is available here. So this display cycle when I press, so this will be changing like this. So what we have the display, now this display was earlier available there. That come here, right? So now if I press this, so FMS is coming here. Now next is, so this is changing between the FMS and all, because the FMS is not there. Now I will press now here center display. So now first officer OES on center. Now I brought this. Now this has become the active. So here we have the FMS already. We have this is the center. Now see what is changing here. So earlier we were having one display OMT that came here. Then again when we are pressing this, so it is changing between the OMT and OS, right? It's not changing here. So we will have normal. When we put it to normal, again we have the normal display. So this was a normal display. So it is changing because that display went off when we see.